XRP and XLM are falling fast. BTC is under immense pressure as Japan raises rates, unemployment rises, and volume absolutely plummets. But I got a question for you. Are you pissed, or is this giving you time to stack?
Due to the graphic nature of this program, listener discretion is advised.
I would say happy Sunday, but that would mean we're all having a good time and looking at these prices. I highly doubt it unless you're a stacker. Heat map, no, your comments come first. White Noise Joseph, Sleep Focus has sold 50,000 of my XLM today for more XRP. I want to hear from you. Was that a good move? I did a poll a few days ago, and 89% of you said you would buy XRP over XLM. Let me ask you another question. With prices as low as they are right now, who is stacking? Jim Z says, off to see Lenny Kravitz tonight in North Macedonia. That's right, I'm always asking what you're doing because I care about you, the viewer. That's why your comments come first. Redact Knight says XRP dropping, pissing me off because I don't have another money to buy another 10K. I wish I knew we were having a sale today. It is getting bad and it appears we're going to keep going down. Bitcoin's in at 58,600. Fuck, I don't want to do the heat map. Let's just get into the news because this really sucks ass. Bitcoin 14 years ago today was priced at 5 cents. I bring this up to show you the stark contrast. 14 years of adoption took BTC from 5 cents to 58,000. So just keep that in the back of your minds. Japan raises interest rates for the second time since 2007. The Japanese central bank increases target's policy rate 25 basis points to 0.1%. The rate was last bumped up in March when the bank raised interest rates for the first time since 2007. They've been keeping things under control, but it's putting massive pressure on the economy. And it actually made the Japanese yen stronger to the American dollar, pushing down crypto prices. U.S. unemployment rate ticks up to 4.3%. That's not good either because as higher unemployment means what? Less retail power. And what's fueling crypto? Retail. Now, we're going to get into XRP, XLM price here soon, but I wanted to put things into perspective for you. Okay, so what I have up on the screen is cryptos by market cap. On the far right column here is I have year-to-date performance. So I get it. It sucks right now, and it is really plummeting as I record this. I mean, like, really plummeting. I just did a threshold workout, and as I was doing my threshold workout, I kid you not, I kept hearing my phone go off and off and off as triggering alerts were occurring. But what's happening? Year-to-date price action. Okay, so for Bitcoin, year-to-date, we're up 38%. ETH up 20, BNB up 57, Sol up 31, XRP down 15%, Cardano down 42, Avalanche down 45, DOT down 43. Now where is XLM? Down 31%. So you are seeing a massive sell-off year to date when it comes to utility tokens. Now let's look at XRP specifically, and we're going to get into XLM next. We're going to go into the candlesticks, and we're going to switch this up, and we're going to switch it up into the 5-minute because I want to see specifically what was happening while I was running, while all this action was going on, and look at it right here. This is not good. We were hanging out right around that 55-cent range, and then it just peeled on off and is now at 52 cents. People, this is absolutely frustrating because we're seeing more pressure put to gold on the positive side while we're seeing risky assets like crypto being pushed down. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing, and I wanted to express that to everyone, right? Because I know a lot of you out there are long-term stackers. That's why I brought up the Bitcoin story, where Bitcoin 14 years ago today was a nickel. You think 14 years ago when people were buying BTC at a nickel, they were thinking we would be at 58,007? No, probably not. Look at XRP. There have been some massive opportunities here to make money if you wanted to short the ever-living shit out of it. Remember, you can make money on the way up and you can make money on the way down. You can also look at this as short-term pump action on Taurus, right? This is a pressure cooker, and I'm telling you, it is a multiplier factor by Taurus action and also by safe haven play. That's why I brought up Japan raising rates and U.S. unemployment going up as well. So XRP, massive sell-off. This is not good, but it's given all of you out there time to stack if that's what you believe in. Now, the same thing is happening with XLM, but this is getting even worse. XLM right now trading at 8.8. Let's do this. Let's swing this on to the 15-minute candlestick and show you just how bad it is. I've got the last several weeks up on the screen where you can see XLM, yes, did pierce 11 cents on the 17th of July, but has since pulled way back down to 8.7 cents. Think about that utility. No one right now in the market cares about tokenization. No one in the market right now cares about ISO utility. It's all about risk. That's why gold is pumping and cryptos are falling. Even the store of value assets like BTC. Now, the reason I brought up how cryptos were doing year to date was to show you two big store of value plays, BTC and ETH, are both up for the year. BNB is up. Well, we know why, right? We got rid of CZ and they had a lot more trust, which means a lot more money flows into it. But overall, this is not good for utility tokens. And that's why I have to ask you a few questions. Are you pissed? Are you stacking? Are you selling? Are you drinking? Let me know in the comments down below. You know, and while I was running, I got excited thinking, you know what? Maybe my phone's going off telling me that there's juicy price action. But nope, down. And this does not look good for the entire market. Yes, we're seeing the alts pull further down from BTC because of the store of value play, but even the store of value play right now is eroding compared to the rest of the market. Now, if we have more problems with U.S. unemployment, more problems with rates higher for longer in the U.S., you could see even more pressure put on crypto in the alts. Now, what am I doing regarding this? I am watching completely the opposite action, all right? I am watching to see what happens with safe haven assets. When the gold and silver and precious metals markets open up tonight, I'm going to see how much money flows into that right away in the first couple of hours, because this has been a massive sell-off of risky assets over the weekend. And those people that are into gold and silver, they got to wait. They have to wait till the market opens, where we could trade this action all the time. Now, I know a lot of you are upset, and there were a lot of upset comments in the previous video. People pissed at the price, pissed at Taurus, pissed at the fact that every time we pump into the 60-cent range, XRP goes back, train goes back to the station, XLM not doing jack shit at all. 8.8 cents. For real, if I had a dime, I could give you a dime for one XLM and you would be able to give me a penny back in change. That's how little it's worth. But think of that Bitcoin story that I brought up to you. And hopefully you're still watching at the end of this video, because at the end I usually give you a little bit of insight, a little bit of juiciness. Think of that Bitcoin story. 14 years ago, Bitcoin was at 5 cents, very similar to Stellar's 8.7 cents, right? So you have to ask yourself, are you able to buy and stack more on the belief that it's going to perform just like BTC, or is this all going down even further? I want to hear from you, because yes, you, the viewer, matters most. That's why I put your comments at the beginning of every video, because yes, you are most important. Now, what am I doing today? Well, I'm going to be hydrating a little bit. Got the drink right here. I got a stretching session, a little bit of mobility work. I did a really rough workout in the heat. It totally sucks, so I'm going to be recuperating. Let me know what your thoughts are down below, because while I stretch, while I chill, I want to read them. Happy Sunday, and I'll catch you cool cats later. Choo-choo, bitches. Let's hope the market turns around, and let's hope Taurus gets off her ass soon.